In this video, I will show you how to send a password reset link to existing users in WordPress. Need to help a user regain access to their account? Here's how to send a password reset link to existing users in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Users and click All Users. Here, you'll see a list of all registered users on your website. Now find the user you want to reset the password for and click on Edit under their name. On the user profile page, scroll down to the Account Management section. Here you will see an option called Set New Password. You can click it to generate a new password and manually share it with the user. However, the better and more secure method is to let WordPress send a password reset link automatically. To do that, simply go to your website login page and click Lost Your Password. Then enter the user's email address or username and click Reset Password. WordPress will instantly send a password reset link to their email inbox. The user can open the email, click the reset link, and set a new password on their own. This is the safest and most common way to handle password resets in WordPress. If the user does not receive the email, you may need to check your email settings or install an SMTP plugin to improve email delivery. Once the password is reset successfully, the user can log back into the website with their new credentials. That's how you send a password reset link to existing users in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.